Hello everybody, this is Caitlin with the Twinsburg Library here for the third and final ukulele video. So in this final video, we are going to talk about finger picking. In the first video, we talked about how to tune your ukulele and all the basics and how to strum. In the second video, we talked about chords and how you can play chords to sing along with your songs. And this last one is finger picking, like I said before. And finger picking just means you're going to pick out all the notes individually to make the tune of the song. This is a lot of fun, and you can usually do a little bit of mix-up between doing finger picking, leaning into the chords, or the chords leaning into finger picking, and you can do all kinds of really fun things with it. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, we're gonna go back and talk about the parts of the ukulele. I know we did that all the way back in week 1, but we're gonna add a little bit to it today. So if you wanna turn to page 18 in your lesson book, like that. And if you don't have the lesson book, you can go ahead and download it down in the description below if you still need it. So if you guys remember, we had the head, nut, neck, body, neck, body. You guys remember that song? So we're gonna talk a little bit about the nut. So the nut is our 0 space. And when we're counting our frets, it just counts down from the nut. So the first bar right here is the first fret, the second fret, third, fourth, fifth, and obviously so on and so forth, because we're not going to skip numbers. Now, if you want to notice something a little different that we didn't talk about last time, are these nice little dots that you guys should have on your ukuleles. I'm going to use my concert ukulele so you can see all the dots, because they have them at all the same spots no matter what size ukulele you have. And actually, guitars have them as well, and they're all at the same spot. So we're going to have a dot at the 3rd fret, the 5th fret, the 7th fret, and then it skips to the 10th fret, and then the 12th fret, and that's usually all you have on a regular ukulele. Some might go a little bit farther, but most of them will stop at the 12th fret. So why they skip from odd numbers to even numbers, I will have no idea, but that's just the way they're all done. The same with the guitar as well. 3, 5, 7, 10. And that's just kind of helping to give you a visual anchor when you start playing up into the itty bitty parts of the strings. So we're gonna have to keep that in mind when we're doing finger picking. Now the first song that we're gonna do, and the easiest song that we're going to do, is going to be Happy Birthday. That's probably one of the most useful songs because you can play it for anybody's birthday. So we're gonna have to go ahead and turn to page 19, and let's go ahead and get started. All right, on to Happy Birthday. So what's really cool about the song Happy Birthday is that we can play it on any string of the ukulele. So I'm just going to use my top string because I find that easier, but you can use the bottom string or the middle strings if you like. Normally when you do finger picking, you're going to use all the strings, but we're going to start out nice and easy and just do the one string at a time. So as you can see, I have it, the lyrics that I'm sure you guys all know are written out. And then for every syllable that we're going to talk, we're going to do a different sound. So as you can see, when it says 0, that means an open string. That means we're not going to press any fret. It's just going to play it nice and open like this. And then when it says 2, that means we are going to do the 2nd fret. So we've got the first 3 notes of it are 0, 0, 2. You can see here it gets higher, so it's a completely different note. So let's try it again, everybody. We're gonna do just the first 3 notes. 0, 0, 2. All right, now let's see if we can do it and sing the first 3 syllables of Happy Birthday. Ready? Happy birthday. Sounds silly, but it works. Happy birthday. Once you guys got that down, we can move on to the next part. Now let's go and take a look what we have next. The day is gonna be another 0, so back to an open string, means not pressing a fret, and then we're gonna go to 5, 4. Now if you guys remember, we have that fancy dancy little note right there, so we know that that's gonna be a 5, and so you're gonna move 1 down to 4. It's easier than it sounds. So let's try it from the beginning. Nice and slow. Ready? 0, 0, 2, 0, 5, 4. Let's try it even slower. Ready? 0, 0, 2, 0, 5, 4. Now, if you notice, I kind of move my fingers around. So you can use one finger at a time if you would like, but I find it easier. It means you can do it a lot faster or smoother if you use multiple fingers. And you kind of have to go by feel because everybody's fingers kind of move a little different. So what I like to do is for the first couple of frets, I use my pointer finger, remember, finger 1, and then for higher ones, or if I'm going in between, I'll use my middle finger, and sometimes I'll even use my ring and my pinky finger. I'll do a more complicated song later on in the video so you guys can kind of see what that looks like, but for right now, try and do 5 and 4 with your middle and your pointer. Let's try it. Ready? We're gonna say 0, 0, 2, 0, 5, 4. Nice and easy. All right. Now let's do it one more time and let's actually sing the long words with it. Ready? Happy birthday to you. You guys got it. All right, let's move on to the next one. So we're going to go a little bit faster now because we're going to go through the whole second line. So it's the same beginning, 0, 0, 2, 0, and then we're moving up to the 7, then the 5. So a little bit more skipping around. If you guys remember, we've got a dot at the 7th fret. So we're going to go from the 7 to 5. So those both have the dots that makes it nice and easy to find. And again, you can do this all on whatever one string you want, the top or the bottom, it sounds the same. So let's try just the second line, nice and slow. Ready? 0, 0, 2, 0, 7, 5. Ooh, I like it. Try it one more time. Ready? 0, 0, 2, 0, 7, 5. Again, don't be afraid to slow down the video or keep going over the same spot over and over until you get it to where you guys feel comfortable. All right, let's move on to the third line. All right, now we're gonna be doing some really big skipping because we're gonna go 0, 0, 12. So if you guys remember, 12 is going to be all the way up here because if this one's 10, move 11, 12. So it's going to be really, really high up into the very base of the neck. It's going to be really, really high. And then we're going to go to 9. So 12 is 2 above the 10 mark. 9 is 1 below. Then you got a nice 7 on the mark and a nice 5 on the mark. You guys think you can remember that? All right, let's do that. The hardest line that we can do, nice and slow. Ready? We're going to say 0, 0, 12, 9, 5, 4, 2. All right, let's try it again. Ready? 0, 0, 12, 9, 5, 4, 2. All right, do you think we could try it nice and slow, but sing it this time? Let's see, you ready? Happy birthday to my friend. I like it. All right, let's do the very last line. Take a look. We've got 10, 10, 9, 5, 7, 5. So remember, that dot is our 10. Makes it nice and easy. Ready? Ready? 10, 10, 9, 5, 7, 5. That one's a little bit easier than the last line, isn't it? Yeah, I think so. All right, let's try it again. Ready? 10, 10, 9, 5, 7, 5. Look at that. You guys just played a happy birthday. Awesome. Now, do you think we can put it all together now? All right. So the first time we're going to do it, I will sing the numbers and the frets that we're going to do. And then the second time, let's sing the actual lyrics. Again, you can always slow down the video. You can repeat the video. Do it at your own speed. That's nice about having it in a video. All right, let's do it. Ready? 0, 0, 2, 0, 5, 4. 0, 0, 2, 0, 7, 5. 0, 0, 12, 9, 5, 4, 2, 10, 10, 9, 5, 7, 5. All right, let's see if we can do it to the actual lyrics. Now, actually, this time I'm going to switch it up just a little bit. I'm going to use the bottom string so you guys can hear what it sounds like on a different string. Ready? Let's see. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to my friend. Happy birthday to you. Look at that. Excuse my terrible singing, but you guys get the point. We can still have fun while playing Happy Birthday. All right. So now, once you got that done, you feel real comfortable, we can move on. All right, so now on to reading tabs on page 20 of your lesson books. Now, tabs are a way of writing music without writing traditional music. So usually when you see music for like pianos and trumpets and flutes and all those, you'll see that on traditional music staffs with all the different notes, with quarter notes and everything. Guitars have their version of tabs, and ukulele has a version of tabs. It's a way of writing music without writing traditionally. It's a lot easier. So all it is it has the number of strings you have. So on a guitar, you would have 6 lines. On a ukulele, we just have the 4. And you can see they're nice and labeled in the 4 different strings that we have, A, E, C, G. So the G, you see how it's on the bottom here? Well, it's like you were looking at it down this way. So if I'm looking at it, like reading it this way, you can see that the G is the top string like this. It's a little complicated and it's a little backwards, but that's the way that it's written. So it's like you're reading it, like you're looking down at it. So even though it's the bottom string here, it's the top string here, like that. But if you're looking down, it ends up looking like it's the bottom string. I know, that's just the way they do it. So this is the way Happy Birthday would be written if we played it on the top string. So you can see we're playing it on the G and all the notes are written there because we're playing it on the same string. But now we're going to use all the other strings. So as you can see for this note, it's the number 2, which means the 2nd fret is on the C string. So the C string is the 2nd string down from the top, 2nd note. That would be that note. So now let's go ahead and try a different song. So this nice Twinkle Twinkle is on page 21 of your booklet. And it's nice because it has a lot of zeros, so we're skipping a little bit around our ukulele, but using mostly zeros, 1s, and 2s. So it keeps it nice in the same section of the ukulele. All right, so we're going to play actually the first 2 measures. And by measures, I mean chunks of music. So you see these horizontal lines? Those break up our song into measures. So we've got the first measure, the second measure, just to break it down in manageable chunks. So we're just going to sing Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. And we're going to do it nice and slow. So you can see the first note is the note that we just did. It's on the C, but it's open this time. So on the 2nd string, that C string, remember we talked about all of those names of them? C string, and then we're going to move up to the G string. All right, can we do it? Let's just do the first measure first. Ready? 0, 0, 0, 0. Easy enough. Then we'll add the next string. Is all the way at the bottom of our A string. 0, 0. And then another 0 at the G. All right, let's put it all together, nice and slow. Ready? We're going to say C, C, G, G, A, G. You guys got it, right? All right, let's do it a little bit faster. You ready? We say C, C, G, G. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. All right, now let's go ahead and add the next 2 measures. Now we're going to start mixing it up a little bit. As you can see, the 3rd string from the top is going to have the 1st fret. So we're going to hold it down for the first 2 notes, and then we're going to let up that finger and play it open for the next 2. Let's just do the next measure. Ready? The How I Wonder. So we're going to hold down that 1st fret. Ready? 1, 1, 0, 0. Let's try that again. Ready? 1, 1, 0, 0. 1, 1, 0, 0. You guys got it? And then the next measure has a is the same idea except on the second fret on a different string. We're going to say 2, 2, 0 on the C string, which is the second string from the top. So we're going to say 2, 2, 0. It's a little tricky, so don't be afraid to slow down the video. Let's try it back at How I Wonder, and then we'll keep going to What You Are. Ready? We're going to say 1, 1, 0, 0, 2, 2, 0. All right, let's slow it down. Ready? Say 1, oh, yep, 1, 1, 0, 0, 2, 2, 0. All right, do you think we can do the whole first line? All right, if you don't feel ready for it, don't be afraid. Pause the video, go back, practice it until you are ready. All right, ready? Let's play the whole first song. Ready? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Very good. Again, make sure you can slow down if you want. All right, we're going to keep going. And we're going to go on to the next line, starting up at the top string of the G. And then we got that first fret coming in at the E, so get that finger ready. We'll just do the first measure. Ready? 0, 0, 1, 1. There we go. All right, let's try that one again. Ready? 0, 0, 1, 1. It's always good to practice tricky bits over and over again until you're comfortable. But this time, let's move on to World So High, which we're going to go for 0, 0, 2. And for that 2, I'm going to use my middle finger, so that way I can kind of get it ready while my other finger's playing. So I can get that kind of hovering where it's going to have to go down. You ready? We're going to say 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 2. All right, let's slow it down a little bit. Ready? We're going to say 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 2. All right, let's break it down even slower. Ready? We're going to say 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 2. You guys got it? All right, let's move on to the next 2 measures like a diamond in the sky. We're going to go 0, 0 on that top string G, move it up to the first fret of E, which is the second from the bottom, and then 0, 0, 2. And remember, we're going to get that middle finger hovering above the 2. Don't touch it because then it'll make the string sound a little different when we're playing the zeros coming up. All right, so just want it kind of hovering there. Ready? Let's do Like a Diamond. Ready? 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 2. All right, let's try it again. Ready? 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 2. All right, now, the best part about this is that the last line is the same line as the top. So let's do the whole last line nice and slow. Are you ready? 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 2, 2, 0. There you go. It's the same as the top line. All right. Do you guys think we can do the song all together? Let's try it. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to sing out the note that we're going to be playing or the string that we're going to be on. So I'm not going to say what number they are. I'm just going to say the letter. All right, you guys ready? We're going to say C, C, G, G, A, G, E, 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 C, 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 G, G, E, 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 C, G, G, E, 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 C, 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 G, G, A, G, E, 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 C, C, C. Beautiful. Again, don't forget you can always slow down the video. So now, let's see if we can play the whole song again, nice and slow, and this time, let's sing along with it. What's nice about Twinkle Twinkle is that it's also the tune for the alphabet song, so we can sing A, B, C, D along with it. All right, now let's try it nice and slow. Ready? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. And there you go. Now you guys can play Twinkle, Twinkle, and you do some finger picking. And that's what's in your book. All right, what's the best part about playing music is that you can make it your own. So if you get sick of playing the songs that are in here, that's fantastic. You guys can go to the internet or a music store and find music that speaks to you. They have all kinds of fun chords for pretty much every song you could think of, especially the internet. You can also find finger picking charts and tabs. Whenever you're looking, you can just look for ukulele chords or ukulele tabs, and now you have the basis for both, and you should be comfortable at least trying to figure it out. So I'm just going to show you real quick a fun finger picking song that's one of my favorites. See if you guys can figure out what it is, and you can see that I go kind of all over the ukulele like I promised earlier in the video. Ready? That's one of my favorites, and feel free to look up the Harry Potter ukulele tab so you guys can play that one too. And if you guys don't feel 100% comfortable, or you guys gonna keep learning past the basics, on the last page of your book, there are some ukulele lesson books that you guys can put on hold at the library. The library owns both of these. Or there's also an app that I really like by the same people that make the guitar tuning app that I like. This is called Musician, and it actually teaches ukulele, guitar, singing, piano. It's really good. You can do it for free. Obviously, if you pay, you can get more lessons or whatnot, but you can go ahead and do it for free. And it's really nice for being able to play. It's kind of like a video game, kind of like Guitar Hero, if you guys have ever seen that. And I really enjoy it, and it has helped me play even better. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and you guys keep playing and rocking out, and hopefully we'll see you guys next time for whatever the library has in store. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one. Bye.